Sa loob na po tayo ng Livorno train station. Ayan po, yan po yung mga schedule nila. Ito po yung puntahan natin, itong Florence 1048. May ticket na po tayo. So hanapin na lang natin yung platform 1. So guys, nandito na po tayo ngayon sa train station ng Livorno. Dito pa ako sa platform 3. Diyan po ako bumaba kanina dito sa kanilang underpass going here sa platform 3. Meron po sanang 1048 na train going to Florence, pero naiwan po ako, kaya kukunin ko na lang yung 1112. So wish me luck guys na hindi ako mawala. Medyo malayo po yung Florence from here sa Livorno. Okay guys, wish me luck. Ito po yung train station nila. A fast, efficient, and inexpensive way to visit Florence from Livorno is by train. And we choose Trenitalia. It is the primary train operator in Italy. The company was established in year 2000 following a European Union directive on the deregulation of rail transport. The average journey time by train between Livorno Central and Florence is 1 hour and 22 minutes with around 36 trains per day. The journey time is longer on weekends and holidays. Train tickets from Livorno Central to Florence can start from as little as 9.90 euro or 560 pesos. It covers a distance of around 78 kilometers during the journey. Florence guys. So ito yung terminal ng Florence. Oh my God. So guys, we're here now.
Attenzione! Informiamo i viaggiatori che per lavori di potenziamento infrastrutturale la linea tra le stazioni di Pistoia e Montecatini Terme sarà interrotta dalle ore 23:30 di sabato 13 luglio alle 4 di lunedì 2 settembre. I treni della relazione di area.
Guys, ito po yung train station ng Florence. Super busy po. So labas na po tayo guys. Nandito po tayo right now sa Florence train station. Lalabas na po tayo. Hanapin natin yung mga tourist spots, okay?